Life is getting better for the Batwa communities in Kigezi Sub Region in South Western Uganda following an intervention by Nature Uganda and local conservation organization. For more than 27 years, Nature Uganda has been operating in the region, particularly in the districts of Kabale, Rubanda and Kisoro. It has helped in the promotion of understanding, appreciating and conserving nature.
These interventions were codenamed climate smart interventions, including what is commonly known as climate smart agriculture.
In the Batwa particularly, Nature Uganda has empowered them with climate smart agriculture skills.
Kandi kindi cho Nature Uganda yabase kutwigisha obukugu ikatwigisha yuko dusemere kwiga gutera fanya chini.
Nature Uganda taught us how to dig these water trenches
kugira ngo tubashe kurinda itaka ryacu,
so that our soils are not washed down the hillside.
Ikindi cho Nature Uganda yabase kudukorera itwe nk'abatwa ikagerageza kuduherezaho ebisimbo nebimondi omurundi gwo kubana.
The Batwa for centuries depended on hunting and gathering from the forest for food before they were evicted by the government to conserve Echuya, Bwindi and Mgahinga forests in the 1980s.
Bamwe turabuka Echuya, abandi turabuka Mgahinga, abandi Bwindi.
He's saying some of these Batwa who are here, some of them come from Echuya, others from Mgahinga, others from Bwindi.
However, today only a few Batwa still depend on Echuya Forest Reserve, their ancestral land. According to some of the Batwa, their eviction from their ancestral home saw them undergo a number of challenges that even made life a bit tough for them.
Nature Uganda kufakari. Nature Uganda katuyamba. Fano mukire twakari dufite inzara ariho turi kuva bamwe mu mashamba, abandi turi kuva mu kamiro hasi, abandi Kisoro. Nature Uganda katuyamba.
Oba batutira nyine bari kutwiha.
Yes.
Ndabona ko baso karatune tempora. Ndenga bagire bo barango. Manje bajenera. Babone bo bagire baraho.
Those that resisted, most of them died. They resisted the eviction, but these ones are
Nature Uganda has closely worked with the Batwa through engaging them in conservational programs and providing alternative livelihood means. All this is geared towards engaging environmental conservation by the Batwa.
The indigenous communities who live on the margins of the forest, the Batwa community. And this is a group that Nature Uganda has been supporting in the various climate smart interventions, providing tools for constructing what is known as Fanyachin, or trenches, water trenches to stop or protect soil erosion. The program is soil and water conservation. We provided them with animals, especially sheep and goat, to help them produce manure that could help them to improve productivity on their small pieces of land.
However, with the intervention from Nature Uganda, there is a ray of hope shining in their lives. Despite these interventions, More efforts are still needed in helping the Batwa to acquire political representation, reduce on their marginalization, and inspire equitable access to basic life needs.